everyone, this is Hair Tutorials with my hairstyle EXO. Before starting, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe my channel and click the thumbs up for this video. Thank you and welcome to my channel. I hope you will like what you see. Hi, in this video I will show you how to create a rope infinity braid combo. This style is easy and simple to do. I've already created the middle parting to myself. Next, I will brush some water to my hair and clip the other side so it won't be on my way. Then I start to braid the first rope twist braid. Take a section of hair and separate it in two equal pieces. Twist the left hair section to the left, like this. Then spin the hair sections over each other to the right. Twist the left hair section and spin to the right. Add some hair to the both hair strands on each side. Then just twist to the left and spin to the right. Twist left, spin right. After this, add some hair to the both hair sections. Then just twist to the left and spin to the right. Twist left and spin right. Add again more hair from the both sides. And then just twist the left hair strand to the left and spin to the right. Twist left and spin right. Keep on braiding like this until you braided the whole section into this rope twist braid. Braid few stitches more so it's easier to secure this braid, and then add the elastic. Then I will create the same braid on the other side, so take a section of hair and separate it in two sections. On this side I create the braid like the opposite, so I twist right and spin left. Then add some hair to the both hair strands. Twist right and spin left. Add more hair to the hair sections. And after that, twist right and spin left. Keep on braiding like this until you braided the whole section into this braid. And now the braids look like this. Now I will show you how to create the infinity braid. Take 2 hair sections, separate the small piece from the another strand, bring that strand under the next and over the second, then turn around, bring it under and over, turn around, bring it under and over, turn around, bring it under and over, turn, under, over, turn, under, over. If the section starting to get too small, add some hair to the bigger hair strand. If your braid looks too loose, I suggest you to push the sections upwards so you can create it more tight. When you reach the desired length, secure the braid with an elastic. I secure first only the 2 middle hair strands and then the smaller hair section. Then I repeat the same pattern on the another side. Take 2 hair sections, separate the smaller hair section from the another. Then just spin the smaller hair section around the 2 bigger strands to the infinity shape. Under, over, turn, under, over, turn, under, over, turn. Add more hair to the bigger hair sections if you need to. And here's the final result of this style. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.